Question number 5. In a class test, Shifali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Let Shifali marks in mathematics equal to x and Shifali's marks in English is equal to 30 minus x. In a class test, Shifali's marks in mathematics and English. Mathematics plus English is equal to 30. So Shifali's marks in English equal to 30 plus x. According to question, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, x plus 2 and 3 marks less than in English, 30 minus x minus 3, then their product would have been 210. According to statement, if she get 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, their product would have been 210. X plus 2 into 30 minus 3, that is 27, minus x is equal to 210. X multiplied by 27, 27x, x multiplied by minus x, that is minus x square. 2 multiplied by 27 is equal to 54, and minus 2 into x, 2x, that is equal to 210. Minus x square plus 27x minus 2x, that is equal to 25x, plus 54 is equal to 210. We are shifting left side in right, then sign will be opposite. X square positive, minus 25 negative, minus 54 negative, plus 210 positive equal to 0. X raised to power 2 minus 25x and 210 minus 54. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 156. That is positive 156. Prime factorization, we are splitting middle term, that is equal to 0. Prime factorization of 156. Product of first and last equal to 150x square positive, and prime factorization of 156 is equal to 2 7 2 are 14, 8 2 are 16, 2 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18, 3 13 3 are 39, and 13 1 are 13. 3 2 are 6, 2 are 12. and we are splitting minus 15x is equal to x raised to power 2 minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. Minus 13x minus 12x, that is equal to minus 25x. Sum of minus 13x and minus 12x equal to minus 25x, and their product will be positive 156x square. Minus minus, that will be positive. 13 12s are 156x square, and we are taking common x, and in bracket x minus 13. X minus 13 in bracket and minus 12 is common, is equal to 0. This implies x minus 12, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12 and 13. When Shefali's marks in mathematics is equal to 12, then Shefali's marks in English is equal to 30 minus 12, that this implies 18. And when Shefali's marks in mathematics when she get 13 marks in mathematics, then Shefali's marks in English is equal to 30 minus 13 is equal to 17. When she get mathematics 12 marks, then she get in English 18 marks. And when she get mathematics 13 marks, then she get in English 17 marks. Answer. Shefali's marks in mathematics x and Shefali's marks in English 30 minus x. In a class test, Shefali's marks in mathematics and English total is equal to 30 marks. According to question, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, x plus 2, and 3 marks less than in English, 30 minus x minus 3, then their product would have been 210, is equal to 210. 30 minus 3, that is 27 minus x, and x plus 2, x into 27, that is 27x, x into minus x square, 2 into 27, that is 54, 2 into minus x is minus 2x, that will be 210, minus x square, 27x minus 2x, that is 25x, plus 54 equal to 210. We are shifting right side, minus, that will be positive, plus 25, that will be negative 25, plus 54, that will be minus 54, plus 210 equal to 0. 210 minus 54 is 156, and it's a quadratic equation. We are splitting by middle term, so product of first and last is 156x square positive, and prime factorization of 156, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, and we are splitting minus 25 here. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 13x minus 13x minus 12x, that will be minus 25x, and their product will be 156x square. So x is taking common, x minus 13 in bracket, and x minus 13 in bracket here, 12 is taking common, x minus 12 one time, x minus 13 one times is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 12 or 13. When she got in mathematics 12 marks, then she got in English 30 minus 12, that is 18 marks. And when Shefali's marks in mathematics 13, then Shefali's marks in English 30 minus 13, that is equal to 17. Answer. Question number 6. The diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. A, B, C, D. It's rectangle, and let shorter side is equal to x meter. Longer side is equal to 30 more than x plus 30 meter. Diagonal is equal to x plus 60 meter. And according to question, this side is shorter side, that is equal to x, and longer side is AB, that is equal to x plus 30, and its diagonal x plus 60. According to question, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras, theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC here x plus 60 raised to power 2 is equal to x plus 30 raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2. A plus B raised to power 2, as B know that A plus B square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A is here x and B is equal to 60. X square plus 60 square plus 2 into x into 60, that is equal to A plus B whole square, x square plus 30 square plus 2 into x into 30 plus x raised to power 2. X square plus 6 are 3600 plus 6 2s are 120x is equal to x raised to power 2 plus 3 3s are 9, that is 900, and 60x plus x square. X square is cancel. Left side, right side, x square is cancel. and we are shifting 1300, we are shifting 3600 right side, 120x right side, that will be negative, and x raised to power 2 plus 60x minus 120x plus 900, as it is shifting 3600, that is negative 3600, is equal to 0. X raised to power 2 minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. 3600 minus 900, that is equal to 2700, and 120x minus 60x, that is minus 60x, equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, and splitting by middle term, 2700, 2700, 2 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 0, and 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, and 3 sevens are 21, and 3 fives are 15, 3 25, and 5 fives are 25. 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18, and 18 fives are 90, and 5 threes are 15, 15 twos are 30. But we are splitting x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. We are splitting minus 60x, that is equal to minus 90x plus 30x. 90 minus 30, that is 60. 90 is negative, so we get minus 60x negative. And 90x multiplied by 30x, that is equal to 9 threes are 27, 100x square negative. This implies x is taking common, and in bracket x minus 90 and x minus 90 in bracket plus 30 is common, is equal to 0. X minus 90, x plus 30 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to positive 90, and x plus 30 equal to 0 means x is equal to negative 30. That is neglected, but x is equal to 90, that is positive value. So short side shorter side is equal to 90, longer side is equal to 90 plus 30, that is equal to 120, and 90 plus 60, that is equal to 150. Diagonal is 150, longer side is 120, and shorter side is equal to 90. Diagonal is equal to 150. Answer: let the shorter side is equal to x meter and longer side is equal to x plus 30 meter, 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 and diagonal is equal to x plus 60 meter. In triangle ABC, it's a rectangle, and in triangle ABC, AC is diagonal and AB is longer side, but CB is shorter side. Let shorter side be x, and according to question, If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, then AB will be x plus 30, and its diagonal, the diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 more than its shorter side. Diagonal is equal to x plus 60. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is diagonal, x plus 60 square is equal to x plus 30 square plus x square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. We are applying the formula x plus 60 square equal to x square plus 60 square plus 2 into x into 60 is equal to x square plus 30 square plus 2 into x into 30 plus x square. X square left side, x square right side, that is cancel, and x square plus 60x, we are shifting 120x in right, that will be minus 120x plus 900 as it is, and shifting 3600, that will be negative 3600 equal to 0. 120x minus 60x is equal to 60x. 3600 minus 900, that is equal to 2700 equal to 0. And it's a quadratic equation splitting by middle term. First product of first and last is equal to 2700 x square, and we want to prime factorization of 2700, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 90x minus 90x plus 30x, we are splitting 60x, that is minus 30x, that is minus 90x plus 30x. 90x minus 90x plus 30x, that is equal to 60x. 90 minus 30, that is 60, and product of minus 90x and 30x, that will be minus 2700 x square. So x is taking common in bracket x minus 90, and 30 is taking common bracket x minus 90 equal to 0. X minus 90 taking one time, and x plus 30 taking one time equal to 0. X is equal to positive 90, and the shorter side we get, that is equal to 90, and the longer side is 90 plus 30, that will be 120 meter, and diagonal equal to 90 plus 60, that will be 150 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.